Hi guys, hope you're fine. In today's tutorial we're going to look at a program which is able to determine the net bonus. A company decides to give 5% to employees who are having more than 5 years of work experience in the company. So we're going to write a program which calculates the net bonus that an employee is supposed to receive because of staying for more than 5 years. So without wasting much of your time, let's get started. Hit to File tab to create a new project. Click there, new, then click on create new project. Then from here you click on empty project, go, then here give the name for the project. I'm going to give it net bonus. Okay, click next and here finish. Okay, after creating the project we'll be able to see it from here. Then head back again to the File tab, empty file, and when here you just click yes, we'll have a window popping up where we'll need to name the file that we've created. So I'm just going to name it net bonus as well. Mind you, code blocks is case sensitive, so net bonus with capital B and net bonus with lowercase b, they are different. Okay, our file has also been created, as you can see from here. So we have our project here and our file that we've created here. So everything has been put in place and we can start writing code. So the first thing that we need to do, we have to include some header files. Include the standard stdio.h. The next one should be include include stdlib.h. Then from here we have to start our project by putting our main method. Okay, after creating our project, we're going to have two methods. We're going to have the main method and the method which calculates the net bonus. So this method is going to be after the main method. So since it's going to be after the main method, the compiler must know to say there's a method which is going to come after the main method down here. So what you need to do, you need to prototype. By prototyping, you're just telling the compiler to say after the main method there's another method which calculates the net bonus. So how do we prototype? You just write the same name that you're going to give for the method that you're going to put down here. So here's what I mean. The method that I'm going to write for the calculation of the net bonus is going to be like double net bonus, and it is going to take in two parameters, double salary and int years worked. So this is the other method after the main method. Then we have this as a method. So prototyping is just having this here, just copying it here on top of the main method with a closing semicolon. So this simply tells the compiler, because the compiler, when you run your program, it will read your program line by line. So when it reaches this line, it will be able to know to say there's another method outside the main method. So I'm going to have three variables. The first one will be double salary, and the other one will be double net bonus, and the other one will be int years worked. After that, I'm just going to prompt the user for the entry of the salary and the number of years worked. So I'm going to say print f, enter the salary, and from there I'm going to use the scanf to get the salary. And since this is a double, I'm going to use lf, and I'm going to store it in memory location for salary, and I'm going to prompt the user for the number of years worked. Okay, enter the number number of years worked. From there, I'm going to use the scanf to get the entry, and I'm going to store it in years worked. So yeah, we've first prototyped the method which calculates the net bonus. Inside the main method, we have three variables declared: salary, net bonus, years worked. Then we've prompted the user to enter the salary here and also to enter the number of years. After prompting the user to enter the salary and the number of years worked, we have to initialize the net bonus variable with anything that will be returned by the net bonus method which will calculate the net bonus, and it is taking in parameters salary and years worked. Okay, so this is the method which will calculate the net bonus, and it takes in salary and years worked, and when it brings back the answer, or when it returns the answer, which will be a double, it will be stored in the net bonus variable. From there, we need to prompt the user, giving the user the net bonus and also the net salary. So I'm just going to write printf, then I'm going to say the net bonus is, and this is going to be .02, because I need just two numbers after the decimal point, and LF, since this is a double, and it's going to come from net bonus. And I'm going to also prompt the user for net salary. The net salary and net is same also here. I just need two numbers after the decimal point, and it is going to come from net bonus plus salary. So this is an arithmetic calculation here. We'll have to add net bonus plus salary in order to get the net salary. Then after here we can return 0. Okay, so we've done writing everything needed in the main method. Now that we've done all this, we now work on the method which calculates the net bonus. And inside the net bonus method, I'm just going to declare some variable here of double type, and the variable be nb. Then I'm just going to put a condition to check whether the employee has worked for more than 5 years. So if years worked is greater than 5, then we should initialize the NB with salary. Since the percentage is 5%, it is 0.05 in decimal. Else we do not give the net bonus. The net bonus should be equal to 0.0. After that, we should return NB. This is because this method, at the end of it all, it has to return a double, of which in this case it will be the net bonus. So this is our method which calculates the net bonus, and it is returning the value of the net bonus, and this value is stored here in the net bonus variable in the main method. Now that we have everything we need for the program, we included some header files. We prototyped the method which calculates the net bonus, which is after the main method, and we have the main method where the running of the program will begin when we click the run button, and we have the 3 variables declared here which we needed in this program. We prompted the user for the salary, and when the salary is entered, it is stored in the salary variable. We prompted the user for the number of years worked, and when the number of years is entered, it is stored in the years worked variable. After that, we initialize the net bonus variable with anything that is retained from the net bonus method, which is prototyped here. From there, now we prompt the user with a message of what the net bonus and the net salary is. Then this is our method which calculates the net bonus, and here we have declared variable NB of double type, and we've given a condition to check whether the number of years worked is more than 5, and if it is more than 5, then the salary should be multiplied by 0.05 to get the net bonus, and this output is stored in the NB. Else, if the number of years is not greater than 5, meaning we do not give salary, because the condition is that only those who have been working in the company for more than 5 years are the ones to receive a bonus. And after everything here, we retain the net bonus, and this net bonus is the one which is going to initialize the net bonus variable in the main method. So let's run this program. We see our output and see how it will be. But before we run the program, maybe here I just add some line break to make sure that we have these two statements on different lines. We see what our output would be. So we are requested to enter the salary. Let me say the salary is 3,567, and the number of years worked, I've worked for 8 years. And from here we can see the net bonus is 178.35. The net salary is 3,745.35. Thank you so much for watching, and if you liked this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, comment, and also share with your friends. Till next time.